What happens if you're injured at work and you're never able to go back to your job? The short answer is this. Your case shifts from a temporary benefits claim to a long-term compensation strategy, and how you handle that transition can significantly impact your financial future. I'm attorney Tracy Paulson, founder of Rightful Legal. If your injury prevents you from returning to work, you may be entitled to ongoing weekly workers' compensation benefits. In Massachusetts, that can include temporary total disability benefits at first, but if your condition becomes permanent, you may qualify for permanent and total disability benefits. That's a critical distinction because it affects how long you receive payments and how your case is valued. You may also be entitled to compensation for permanent loss of function, what's known as a scheduled injury benefit, depending on the nature of your injury. But at a certain point, many of these cases move towards settlement. That is where things become very strategic. In Massachusetts, workers' compensation settlements are typically structured as a lump sum payment. That payment is meant to account for your future lost wages, the risk in your case, and the cost of ongoing medical care. However, accepting a settlement often means closing out your right to weekly checks and in some cases limiting how future medical treatment is paid. That's why the timing of a settlement really matters. If you settle too early before your medical condition is fully understood, you risk undervaluing your case. If you wait too long without a plan, you may leave money on the table or lose leverage with the insurer. There's also another layer that many people miss. If your injury prevents you from returning to your prior job, but you can work in some limited capacity, your case may involve vocational issues, what you're capable of earning going forward, which directly impacts both your weekly benefits and your overall settlement value. The bottom line is this. When you cannot return to work, your workers' compensation case becomes about long-term financial protection, not just about short-term benefits. Every decision, whether it's medical, legal, or strategic, needs to be aligned with that reality. If you have potential questions about your workers' compensation case or your potential case at Mass, you can reach me directly at 617-821-5856. I'm attorney Tracy Paulson. If you've liked or enjoyed or found this video helpful, please subscribe or share. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.